Vickers. Tu fewn y Bradley Gibbings. Hanner cyfle fan hyn, tackle ar Cameron Allen. Oedd Allen I mewn, dim ond un cyffyrddiad arall oedd angen. Sgiliau hyfryd gan Vickers, croesiad da, peniad rhwydd, a Cameron Allen sy'n rhoi Caerfyrddin ar y blaen. Neb yn ei farcio fe, a Cameron Allen yn penio'n hyderus heibio I Jack Lewis. Mae'r gôl wedi dod. Ashford, rownd y gornel. A bas ymlaen at Sean Williams. Williams at Ashford. Cyfle fan hyn. Ashford! Arbediad ragorol gan Lee Idzi. Cyfle gorau'r gêm I Evans and Williams. A chwaraewr reolwr, Richard Lewis, dros y gic rydd. Ar I drod chwith. O gwmpas y wal y tarwr bar! Mor anlwcus Richard Lewis. A dyna chi bas gan Gibbins. Cyfle fan hyn, ergyd Ishel! Mason Jones-Thomas yn mynd am y postyn pella. A Liam Thomas yn ymestyn I gam, ond yn methu cael y cyffyrddiad ola. Dyson. Wedi gweld y rhediad gan Liam Thomas, mewn at Gibbins. Dyma Harry Howells! A Harry Howells yr eilydd. O'r diwedd yn sicrhau lle Caerfyrddin yn 1-15 ola Cwpan Cymru. Yn I ymddangosiad cynta i'r tîm cynta. Dyma fydd digwyddiad ola'r prynhawn dwi'n tybio. Cyfle I Vickers ychwanegu'r drydedd. Dyna chi arbediad. Vickers yn crymanu'r bêl o amgylch y wal, ond am arbediad gan Jack Lewis.
No, chwarae teg i'r Evans and Williams wedi chwarae'n dda cyn y gêm. Rown ni'n poeni iawn, tipyn bach a dweud y gwir, achos rown ni'n heb chwaraewyr dewis cynta, ond mae rhaid y sefyllfa ydy cadw trwy y rownd nesaf. Caerfyrddin yn trwy y rownd nesaf a chwarae teg I Evans and Williams wedi chwarae'n dda, ond mae ysbryd gyda nhw yn da iawn, ond dwi'n hapus iawn y cael y canlyniad a dweud y gwir.
And I'm sure you're very pleased and proud of your team's performance today.
Yeah, and that's the word there, proud, you know. The shift the boys put in, look, we know there's levels and where we want to get to. To be fair to Mark and the side, they were very organised, the movement was superb. And we found it hard at times, you know, but the boys dug in and look, we had a good chance, 2 chances maybe, and it could have been a different story, but look, super proud, and it's been a great day. We've had a couple of buses come up here, so just a fantastic day for the club, you know, because we got all the little ones running around here that play for the club as well. So look, we're really proud of where we've gone, and it's just unfortunately come to an end today against a very good outfit, like, you know.
Do, chwarae teg I Evans a Williams, ddaethon nhw fe'n anodd I ni fel tîm I dorri nhw lawr. Gaethon ni tipyn o'r bêl, ond gweld yn anodd I ffeindio'r pas oedd yn mynd I dorri nhw lawr, ond pob chwarae teg I nhw, ond wnaethon nhw fe'n galed I ni, so chwarae teg.
What are the hopes for Evans and Williams moving forward?
Well, we want to go into the Welsh League, and you know, there's been a lot of work behind the scenes in the club, which, you know, I take my hat off to them. You know, there's so many people working so hard behind the scenes, and the junior section is booming, you know. So, look, we want to be Welsh League. Now, it's a tough league we're in, really, really tough. They're all tough. I played in the divisions for years, but it's a real tough league to get out of. So we just need to keep the momentum going. You know, there's a great spirit in with the boys, fantastic, you know. So, look, keep the momentum and hopefully we can get up to the Welsh League, you know, that's the plan, like, you know.
I chi drodd 16 ola Cwpan Cymru nawr. Beth yw'r gobeithio? Pwy licech chi gan nesa?
TNS away, easy.